So the DoubleTree Resort is closed off to the public. The parking lot says no trespassing. Over here is the new Springmaid Pier. We've been told that there is an opening date for the Springmaid Pier on June 1st. Hopefully that date will hold and we will be able to access and walk along this pier. It appears the structural elements are complete, but if you look really closely, you can start seeing the banisters of the pier coming together. Pretty exciting. On a side note, this is a Monday evening / afternoon, and you can see that the beach is pretty active. We are at the cusp of Horry County and the city of Myrtle Beach. Springmaid Pier is kind of the dividing line, if you will, where the city ends in that direction. And we've got a superhero over here. It's pretty awesome. But it's the city in that direction and Horry County in this direction. There is the State Park Pier over there, campground, and the DoubleTree Resort. So, long story short, it appears that the primary elements, structural elements of the pier are complete, and that they're putting the finishing touches on said pier. So, hope everyone is having an all right Monday, and I will be back out and about showing the ins and outs of Myrtle Beach as per usual in the next few months, now that summertime is kicking in and birds are chirping. And hopefully this whole pandemic shenanigans is coming to an end. All right, everybody. Until next time, take it easy.